We're lighting off fireworks in this clearing in the middle of the forest. July 4th weekend. Got it.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's pretty intense, dude.
This is intense. This is what you do. How you like fires. Brenda, aim at the drum. You fucking idiot. It's like a bun.
What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh, we still got more. Oh, fuck. Where'd it go? It's not going to. It's just a waste.
Fuck you.
Throw it right. What?
Putting it underwater.
Let's go closer.
I told you what. I knew it would.
Wait until the last second.